You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. So initially you need to start from the /28 subnet mask here. Okay. So /28 means you can figure out 24 plus 4, right? Which means first 3 octets are going to be completed with 255. So 255.255.255. And plus 4 you can write .240. Okay. So altogether 255.255.255.240. 4 bits borrowed from 4th octet. Okay. After finding the subnet mask, you can move on for the multiplier portion. So in the multiplier, you can find out 256 minus 240 in the 4th octet, because last change is in the 240. So you can deduct it from the 256 and find the multiplier here. So multiplier equals 16. So next you can find the particular IP address 235 on the 4th octet. You are having the IP value, right, 235. You need to divide this IP by the multiplier 16. Okay. So 235 divided by 16 is going to give you 14.68. Now after the division you need to perform a multiplication. Here you don't need to use the decimal value, only the 14 you can use, okay, without the decimal value. In full numbers just use it. So 16 times the answer 14, which gives you 224. Okay. So this 224 is going to be your digit on the 4th octet. So now we found the network or subnet address, right? 192.168.1.224/28 is the network address of this particular 235 IP address. Okay. So if you are having any doubts, just simply understand you need to find the mask multiplier. Okay. After finding the multiplier, simply divide and multiply the particular IP. First divide it, then multiply it, then get the answer. That's all. So here you can see 16 is multiplier, therefore 224 divided by 16 gives you 240. Therefore 240 can bring you the next subnet. These things you already knew, right? Once after, if you found the multiplier, you can simply add the 16 with this network address and find the next subnet. So to find the broadcast address, what you need to do? Again, you can deduct 1 from this 240. Why? This is the next subnet. Just deduct 1 from this and you will get 239 would be your broadcast IP. So 192.168.1.239/28 is the broadcast IP. Okay. Again, you can try these calculations like 135, 63. Likewise, the IP addresses inside the subnets have been given, right? So the network address and broadcast address of the subnets are required to be found. Okay. So you can try this on. And then in another way, if you wanted to do the same calculation, if you wanted to follow any tricky method, which means you can find this AND table. Okay. Which means if all bits are 1, if all the values are 1, the answer would be 1. Otherwise the answer is going to be zeros. Okay. So 1 times, think like it's a times table. 1 times 1 is 1. Then for 1 times 0 or 0 times 0 or 0 times 1, everything is going to give you 0. Okay. Just simply remember, if all are 1s in AND gate, the answer would be 1. Otherwise, for any other combination, answer is going to be 0. So here you can see 192.168.100.164 is going to be written in binary like this. Okay. And the subnet mask also /25 means again you can write this subnet mask and convert it into binary. Okay. After that, do the AND operation, which means 1 and 1 means 1. 1 and 1, 1. For 0 and 1, 0. Likewise, you can perform the AND operation, and after the AND operation, you can convert this again into decimal. Okay. And my recommendation is, don't try this at the exam hall. Okay.